Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to introduce you to another muscle car, or real American, the 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger from the Hot Wheels Nightspeed series, brand new from 2026, number 4 of 10. As I said, a completely new vehicle, now on the market this year. A very cool vehicle, I think it, with very nice prints here. We have a beautiful golden color here, the number 70, which of course stands for the year of construction. A printed hood with the air intake on it. Looks very, very cool. A really cool vehicle. Again, nice with a few sponsor prints. Of course, Hot Wheels always has to be on it. That's for sure. I also think the tires are very cool, but it looks a bit lowered. Looks really excellent. Really cool vehicle again from Hot Wheels, which Hot Wheels has delivered to us here again. I'm also into muscle cars and American cars, and this has just become a dream again. Especially with this color, it looks really excellent. Hot Wheels did a very good job again. I'll give you some more data about the vehicle. As I said, the Dodge had a 7-liter V8 engine with 425 horsepower at top speed of approximate 240 km/h and a 0 and 100 speed of approximate 6 seconds. That will probably have been more like 6.5 seconds. 4-speed manual transmission. And that was actually it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, especially if you're into muscle cars, then like this video and feel free to comment on it. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.